Okay, what's going on, y'all? Sean of SAT Tutoring here with another SAT type problem for you. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and pause the video for a second so you can solve it before we go into it. All right, so this says x is equal to y over 2 minus 18, y is equal to 24. What is 3x plus 1? What is the value of that? Okay, so pretty straightforward. All you have to do, you already have a value for y. You can plug that into here, get a value for x, plug that into here, and then you'll see what 3x plus 1 is equal to. So x is equal to y over 2, which is 24 over 2 minus 18. X is equal to 12 minus 18. So x is equal to negative 6. Okay. And so 3x plus 1, that is 3 times negative 6 plus 1, which is equal to negative 17. Short and sweet. Let me know if you got it in the comments. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure you share with somebody else who needs help with the SAT. Y'all have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.